Una ko siya nakita sa Mercury, nagkakasya. Simula nun, palagi ko na siyang hinahanap. Tuwing pupunta ako sa branch nila. Hanggang sa makakuha ko yung Facebook account niya, yung number. Doon kami simula nagkakwentuhan. Doon ko siya unang nakausap.
Merchandiser siya doon. Then, rumuruta siya doon dati every other day. Kaso nung na-inlove siya sa akin, naging everyday.
Promise not what we'll see. It's all more concrete, more sturdy for our feet.
Tuwing araw-araw, ginagawa ko na inaantay ko siya kung saan siya bababa ng jeep. Inaantay ko, binibigyan ko ng pagkain, ganyan. Pag-uwi, inaabangan ko rin, ihatid sa kanila. Mahal na mahal ko yan. Alam niya naman na yun.
Yung mga simple gestures and actions na yung tipong laging nandyan, kino-comfort ka niya, then hindi niya ako hinahayaang malate sa work. Sobrang yung supportive siya and alam kong mabuti siyang tao.
Loving you is waiting. Oh, loving you is easy. Loving you is staying. Oh, loving you is easy. It's easy. So just keep choosing me, and I'll keep choosing you. It's so easy.
Eto na doon, start na ng journey together. For almost 7 years. Ayun, naging thankful ako sa'yo. Tsaka, ito na yung pag-open ng new door para sa atin. Yun lang. And I love you.
Irish, see you later. Love you. Yun lang.
When forever comes tomorrow, what has been will always be. Time and again, my darling, you're everything. So let the words grow in a garden. Hear me now and know the truth.
It is a transforming decision to enter into a married life. Don, Irish, hindi na kayo tubig after this ceremony ng kasal. When you receive the sacrament of marriage, magiging the best wine kayo.
It's always you. Like a sun that's steady rising, like a secret I can't keep. I have loved you for
Irish, kusang loob at walang pasubali ang aking pagparito upang ibigkis ang aking sarili sa iyo habang buhay at pakamamahalin, kararangal ka bilang aking asawa.
Don, kusang loob at walang pasubali ang aking pagparito upang ibigkis ang aking sarili sa iyo habang buhay at pakamamahalin, ikararangal ka bilang aking asawa.
It's always you, it's always you, always me. It's always you, it's always you, always been you. It's always you, it's always always you, it's always you.